In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Asana. Whether you're managing a massive project or simply need to break down tasks into more manageable pieces, subtasks are your best friends. They help keep everything organized and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. To start, you'll want to open a task within Asana. Navigate to your project or task list first. Once you're there, click on the specific task to which you want to add subtasks. This will open the task detail pane, and from there, you can access everything you need to get more granular with your to-dos. Now, let's dive into how to add a subtask to this task. Once you're in the task detail pane, you'll need to locate the subtasks section. It's generally easy to spot, and once you find it, click on the Add Subtask option. This is your gateway to start breaking down your work into more digestible parts. Alternatively, if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts and want to save a bit of time, you can simply press Tab followed by the S key on your keyboard. And voila! You've got yourself a new subtask. Once you've initiated the creation of a subtask, it's crucial to flesh out its details properly. Start with providing a clear and concise name for your subtask. Remember, simplicity is key here. Make sure that anyone glancing at the subtask understands what it's about immediately. Next, consider assigning this subtask to a team member. This is especially useful if you're collaborating with others and need tasks to be handled by different people. Just click on the Assignee field and select or type in the name of the person you'd like to assign it to. Don't forget to set a due date for your subtask. It's easy to think that the main task's timeline will cover everything, but setting specific deadlines helps keep everyone on track and ensures that your project progresses smoothly. To do this, simply click on the calendar icon and choose the appropriate date. Additionally, you have the option to add descriptions to provide more context about the subtask, ensuring that everyone involved knows exactly what's expected. You can also attach any necessary files that might aid in completing the task, whether that's images, documents, or any other relevant resources. And there you have it, a subtask neatly tucked under your main task, ready to be completed. It's all about bringing organization and clarity to your project, making it easier for you and your team to accomplish your goals. Subtasks in Asana are an incredibly powerful tool when leveraged correctly, so be sure to make the most of them in your project management endeavors. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.